Friends, today we use various means of transport to move from one place to another. But when I say unusual, it means the presented means of transport are the future of transportation. The presented unusual means of transport are the one everyone would like to try once. Let's get started. Number 1. Woman flies drone. When we hear the word drone, the first thing that comes to our mind is an aerial vehicle or an aircraft that is controlled by anyone from the ground. But what if I tell you that a woman made her homemade hovercraft and successfully tested it? This hovercraft is a mega drone with 8 propellers to generate enough power. It has 2 steering sticks that accompanies to move left and right by turning propellers. The woman controlling this drone is seen doing it with ease and comfort along with a safe landing. Number 2. INMOTION Hovershoes X1. INMOTION is the future of transportation that creates electric vehicles and is a globally focused tech company. Hovershoes X1 is the latest invention of INMOTION as well as the best self-balancing skates. It is split into independent machines for both the foot, each with lithium-ion batteries of 54 watts per hour and a motor of 250 watts. Each of these hovershoes consists of a weight of 6 pounds that can hold weight about 176 pounds. The maximum range of these hovershoes is 7 miles and the top speed of 7 miles per hour. The price range of these self-balancing INMOTION hovershoes is $579. Number 3. Helium Prototype. We all know that an unreactive element that can be used as a substitute for petrol or diesel in cars, that is helium gas. But here the helium gas is not used in cars. Instead, it is used in a hoverboard-like vehicle, wherein the helium gas is filled using a motor controlled by the client in 4 legs of this vehicle, and then one can easily make a movement in the air via navigating the direction using the handle. When the movement is made via the handle, the motors present at the back change the direction according to which eventually changes the direction of the whole vehicle. This is an amazing experience that can make you feel like you are flying in the open air. Number 4. Go gliding. Go gliding is one of the cheapest approaches for learning to fly with fixed-wing aircraft. The glider flies similarly like other planes. Its wings help in lifting up in the air and maintain balance, whereas the elevator, ailerons and rudder, that is controlled surface, allow to descend or climb the height or take a turn. But there is something different from other planes, and that is gliders do not have engines. They constantly descend in order to maintain speed, whereas to produce lift, airflow over the wing is helpful. As it does not have an engine, gliders require to be launched in the air in order to soar in the lift. There are 2 methods to launch gliders, that is, first, winch launch, a quick and inexpensive method where the glider is connected to a cable and is launched at a height of around 15,000 feet. Second, aerotow, reliable for those seeking the long-duration flight where gliders are towed and launched at a height between 2,000 feet to 4,000 feet. Number 5. Archaeopteryx hand glider. One of the lightest gliders in the world is the Archaeopteryx hand glider. It was created with an idea of a foot-launchable micro-lift sailplane and good high-speed performance. It takes only 10 minutes for assembling. The moment executing the launch method of choice, one needs to use the combination of 2 things, that is, rudder pedals and levers in order to navigate. In order, if the pilot faces any problem, he can fire a 68 square meter parachute for a safe landing. The Archaeopteryx hand glider comes in multiple types of open, closed and also race versions. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Comment below which means of transport you liked the most and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching.